We're here.
The medium zigzag tracks of the medium size.
I kind of expected a mega store, not a stand.
I know, Leafy. It's not the most expensive store. It might be in a bad location, but it's something I'm passionate about. And I care about it a lot, so it's worth it to me.
Did
Us? What do you need today?
Hey boss, what do you have a medium zigzag track today?
Not too much, just some supplies for a party.
Oh, I have some party supplies.
Here's some have a straight line track has a medium size.
Here's some.
No, thank you.
And some more.
Has the smallest track have a smallest zigzag.
Yeah, thanks. That should be good.
Ah, you want more?
And medium size has medium straight track. Medium zigzag piece has track.
Here's some more. This is weird. Oh, you want
Have largest train track in.
more? Here's some
Train tracks have.
supplies. More.
You know what, Mr. Rust Coin?
To fix the next part of the track,
So far, we need to find a way to get a medium zigzag piece.
we need to find a medium zigzag piece.
Which of these groups has the medium zigzag piece? Should we use this track, or that track? Well,
Which one is the medium zigzag piece?
that one.
That's it!
Oh, this one on the medium zigzag piece. The track, it has zigzag like the letter Z. Here. Good job, Melly.
We have enough. This is good.
That was pretty good, have medium zigzag piece.
But we don't want the party to be good. We want it to be great. Here's some more.
Oh my gosh, Leafy. Let's get out of here.
Yeah,
So go already!
so go have a zigzag already.
Hey!
The bridge has zigzag and
The city's that way!
I know.
yeah,
You're supposed to look for
toys contestants and
bugs, not dandelions! You leave him alone!
he was doing somewhere else and
Who knows what he's doing?
he's looking to have a train track already.
That's right.
Now I'm looking for the bridge already.
Here I go.
Look at the bridge and
For the colony.
for the train tracks and then the run we chase them in.
And for press ants everywhere.
A perfect fit.
Way to go!
Hey!
Run! Wait, let me come with you. Leafy Flower and Dusty Coin. I'm the third of our funny trio. We'll go down in history. Leave us alone!
I think you dropped something this
It was Flick and
Jesse.
they're still flying over the dandelion and the horse.
Give it up, Clark.
And remember, everyone,
You've reached the end of the line.
of the straight track.
I always wanted to go out
Have the straight track is right over there by with
with a bang.
Oh no, the
Hate to leave early, but our ride is here. It's me and the kitty, Sheriff. Take your pick. Hate to leave early, but our ride is here. It's me and the kitty, Sheriff.
Sheriff?
Take your pick. Hate to leave early, but our ride is here.
Flickin'!
Sheriff,
Off to the straight track as already for dead end and
take your pick.
Geo!
Right like the wind, Bullseye.
Yeah!
Hold them steady.